Hey guys, what's up? Richie Nottingham here, and we are out.
You know, I saw it in the top part of my view, but I'm not sure where it is now.
There's my dad.
Well,
There's Jonathan and Key.
okay, got it.
It's a text message.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Our area's down
this
over
is good.
there.
I saw some. In fact, right. Hey, Eric and Ben. Good, good. Hey, are y'all down the trail with the white markers in?
Yes, we are down, and then we're looking at one that has 2 red stripes and like horizontally and 1 vertically.
We never go that way.
Okay. You remember when you first came out, you went down and you left the cattails. How far down from that point have you gone? Have you paddled? Okay. But you haven't come to the big lake. Yeah. Yeah, get it done. It's surrounded by mangroves. It's not like the East Lakes where we went to.
We're catching crabs out here, by the way. YouTubers.
We're on the trail, and we've gone east and left the white marked trail. Not far from it.
Okay.
So,
That's a good area.
well, yeah. This is the place where we normally went. Y'all are going more southwest.
I'm gonna pause it here, guys. Bye.